The universe is a vast and complex place, filled with countless celestial bodies hurtling through space at incredible speeds. Sometimes, these objects cross paths and collide with each other, creating spectacular displays of cosmic fireworks. But what if Jupiter collided with the smallest star in our universe? In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of astronomy and delve into the potential consequences of a collision between Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, and the smallest star in the universe, Ogilvy R120-TWAB. They might seem like an unlikely pair, but what would happen if these two celestial objects collided? This is Scenario X. And are you ready to dive into the world of possibilities with me? Have you ever wondered why big planets and stars do not collide? In the vast expanse of the universe, it is relatively rare for two celestial objects to collide. This is because the universe is mostly empty space, and the chances of two objects occupying the same space simultaneously are very low. Additionally, the gravity of celestial objects plays a major role in preventing collisions. When two objects approach each other, their gravity pulls on each other and causes them to change their paths. If the two objects are moving at different speeds or angles, this gravitational pull can cause them to orbit each other instead of colliding. However, collisions between celestial objects can still occur under certain circumstances. For example, if two objects have a close encounter and their gravitational forces are strong enough, they can be pulled toward each other and collide. This can happen when a star explodes in a supernova and ejects its outer layers, which can collide with nearby planets or stars. Although it is unlikely to happen in the real world, let's see what would happen if a small star collided with our giant. In order to understand what would happen, we need to look at the characteristics of each object. Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, is the largest planet in our solar system, with a diameter of about 86,881 miles. It is the fifth planet from the Sun and is known for its distinctive bright stripes and zones of clouds that rotate around the planet. Jupiter is a gas giant, meaning it is made primarily of hydrogen and helium gases with no solid surface. On the other hand, the smallest star in the universe is a red dwarf called Ogilvy R120-TWAB. It is located in the Milky Way galaxy and is about 200 light-years away from Earth. Ogilvy R120-TWAB has a diameter of only about 10,000 miles, which is about 1/10 the diameter of our Sun. Red dwarfs are the most common type of star in our galaxy, and they are known for being small and cool. Ogilvy R120-TWAB has a surface temperature of about 3,000 degrees Celsius, 5,432 degrees Fahrenheit, which is much cooler than our Sun's surface temperature of about 5,500 degrees Celsius, 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's look at what would happen if these two collided. We have no doubt if that happens, the impact will be catastrophic. The collision would release an enormous amount of energy through heat and radiation. Since we know both our giant and the star mostly consist of gases, heat generated by the collision can trigger the collapse of the gas clouds into a new star. This is known as a prototype, and it is the first stage in the formation of a new star. This energy release could be strong enough to completely vaporize Jupiter and the smallest star, leaving behind only a cloud of gas and dust. Similarly, when these two systems collide, the debris and material ejected from the impact can condense and form a new planet. It is thought that this process played a part in how our solar system came to be, since protoplanets colliding in the early solar system led to the formation of the planets we know today. In some cases, the collision of celestial objects can also result in the creation of moons or other smaller objects. For example, scientists think that our moon was made when an object about the size of Mars crashed into the early Earth and threw out material that later became the moon. But the exact result of the crash would depend on many things, like the angle of impact and how fast they were going when they hit. The collision has many possible outcomes, ranging from complete vaporization to the formation of new celestial objects. It's important to remember that all of this is just a thought experiment because a collision like this is very unlikely to happen in our universe. And that's a wrap on our video exploring Jupiter colliding with the smallest star in the universe. We hope you enjoyed learning about the fascinating world of astronomy and the potential consequences of celestial collisions. Remember, while this scenario is purely hypothetical, it serves as a reminder of our universe's dynamic and ever-changing nature. There is still so much we have yet to discover and understand about the cosmos, and every day brings new opportunities for exploration and discovery.